If your truck feels like it is driving over rumble strips exactly at 45 miles per hour, you are dealing with torque converter clutch shudder. This is the most common failure pattern in General Motors' 6L80 and 8L90 automatic transmissions found in the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, and Yukon. The vibration usually stops the second you lift your foot off the gas pedal. That reaction tells you this is not a bad tire, a bent rim, or an unbalanced drive shaft. It is a friction problem happening deep inside your gearbox. The root cause of this failure is the chemistry of the factory transmission fluid. In these specific trucks, the original fluid has a major flaw. It is hygroscopic. That is a technical word, but it simply means the fluid acts like a sponge. It absorbs moisture right out of the air through the transmission vent. Over time, that trapped water reacts with the friction material on the face of the torque converter clutch. This chemical reaction causes the clutch material to swell up and glaze over. It turns a surface that should be rough and grippy into something that is hard and slippery, like a hockey puck on ice. Under normal driving conditions, specifically when you are cruising between 40 and 50 miles per hour with light pressure on the gas pedal, your transmission computer commands that clutch to lock up. It does this to create a solid physical link between the engine and the wheels, to improve fuel economy on the highway. However, because the friction surface is now glazed from the moisture, it cannot hold a firm grip against the metal housing. It slips, then grabs, then slips again. This cycle happens dozens of times every second. That rapid stick-slip action sends a physical shock wave through the entire chassis that mimics the aggressive shake of driving over rough pavement. Before you spend hundreds of dollars balancing tires or replacing U-joints that are not broken, you must confirm the source with a simple road test. Get your vehicle up to a steady cruising speed, right in that 40 to 50 mile per hour window, where the shaking is the most obvious. Keep your foot steady on the gas pedal. Watch your tachometer needle closely. When the shudder happens, you will often see the needle bounce up and down slightly, maybe 100 or 200 RPM. The moment you feel the rumble start, tap the brake pedal lightly with your left foot, while keeping your right foot on the gas. If the vibration cuts out instantly, it is the torque converter. Tapping the brake tells the computer to unlock the converter. A tire or suspension issue would continue to shake, but the converter's shudder stops the moment it unlocks. Once you confirm the symptom, you need to follow the solution outlined in General Motors Technical Service Bulletin 18NA355. The fix is not a mechanical rebuild. It is a specific fluid exchange. However, you cannot use just any fluid from the shelf. The bulletin specifically requires replacing the old fluid with Mobil 1 synthetic LV ATF HP. You can identify this easily by the blue label on the bottle. The old formula allowed moisture buildup to destroy the clutch engagement, but this blue label formula is engineered to correct the friction levels and stop the glazing. Do not settle for a standard drain and fill service in your driveway. Dropping the transmission pan only removes about 4 to 6 quarts of fluid. This leaves the majority of the moisture-contaminated oil trapped inside the torque converter and the thermal bypass valve. If you mix the new fluid with the old fluid, the problem will come back within a few months. To fix this permanently, you must perform a complete fluid exchange using a heated flush machine. This machine cycles out the full 12 to 16 quarts of capacity. You need the fresh blue label fluid to completely replace the old chemistry to restore the clutch material. If you ignore this shudder, that slipping clutch will eventually grind itself down to bare metal. Once that happens, a fluid change will not save you. you will be looking at dropping the transmission to bolt in a new torque converter. That turns a basic maintenance item into a full mechanical repair. Catch it early, swap the fluid for the blue label spec, and the transmission will usually correct itself within 200 miles of driving. Check your fluid type immediately if you feel the rumble.